Welcome to the AVA family, farmer. Your device has finally arrived. Are you ready to get growing? Start by unboxing the AVA Byte and reading the instruction manuals back to front. Download the AVA Byte app from the App Store and follow along with the app instructions. Check and make sure all your components are laid out. You will have your AVA Byte, your pod pack, your pod holders, domes, power adapter, and instruction manual in the box. Start by taking your power adapter and plugging in the small end into the back of the Byte. Then put the plug into the nearest wall socket. Wait for your device to be fully turned on. The Byte will start pulsing white and you will know you're ready to connect with the internet. Type in your network name, password, and security type. Touch and hold the circular button at the top of the AVA Byte light panel for 2 seconds. You'll feel the button vibrate and start to pulse yellow. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and wait a few moments until you see the AVA Byte network pop up. Choose that network and return back to the AVA Byte app. Wait a few moments and your Byte will pair with the Wi-Fi network. Now your Byte will complete a firmware update. Once your garden is named, set your lighting schedule. This will determine when the lights will be turned on and when the lights will be turned off. Select your permissions. Make sure that you keep your push notifications on to receive updates on your harvest and when to fill up your reservoir with water. Make sure you keep on the camera to receive a time lapse at the end of each 30 days. Finally, it is time to add some water. Fill with 14.5 cups or 3.5 liters of water. Or take out the top tray and fill to the max fill line in the reservoir. Take your pod pack and find the QR code on the back of the box. Make sure that your app is open and scan your pod pack so that your garden knows what you are growing. Now it is time to assemble your pods. Take your pod holders and place a pod into each holder. Now insert. Cover the pods with the germination domes. You will notice a sticker on the top of the pod. Pull off the tab that says pull and leave the rest of the sticker on the pod. This will help you know what you're growing. You're all set, farmer. Get ready to watch your tiny plants grow. If you have any questions, try asking your smart home device or check the app for updates. The rest of the hard work is on us.